Hey, this is Justin, and we're doing a survey on what do you look at when you drink from the water fountain. Noah's up first. What do you look at?
Well, when I'm taking a drink of water, I always sort of, look around just to see if anybody's checking out my, checking out my.
So you're observing your surroundings.
Of course I do. Yeah.
Alright.
Mainly girls. I mean, you're at the water fountain. That's a perfect time to just show everything off. And it's
Alright.
Well, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Harry Perkins. Way to walk out this camera. Stop walking! Hey, what are you doing? Walk around.
Stop.
This is the hall. Hey, the hall. Thank you guys. Nobody likes you. Alright, stand right here.
So where's way?
Stop. Alright. Ready? Set. Go.
As a third person, Nikki, go get it. Get off. Get off. There we go. Good job.
Alright.
Let's go. If you're going out to lunch, you need to go. If you're not, you stay in here. When I close this door, I'll go.
Y'all going out there?
Just take a drink real quick.
No, I don't drink out of water. I keep out of
It's a water bottle. Alright, so
Oh, there we go.
What's the deal? Do I get a prize?
you can be in a video.
You'll be in a video.
How you gonna say? I don't want a back shot of me.
Well, come to this side over here.
What's the matter?
This side. You want me to smell?
Right there, you can see your eyes. I mean, if you come over here, you can see his eyes, like anything's down.
What's it matter?
There's nothing you can look at except the
What do you look at?
barrel.
Just the drain. Okay, this is Haley, and she's the last one in our survey. What'd you look at?
The water.
Just the water?
Yeah.
Draining.
Alright, just the water.
Y'all still doing that?
Alright, thanks.
All right, Justin. So we got.
No, I'm not ready.
Wait.
No, I'm not ready. For real.
Buzz Lightyear.
Hey, what's this yellow stuff supposed to be on here?
Buzz Lightyear.
No,
Buzz Lightyear. Buzz Lightyear. Buzz Lightyear. Kitty.
Thank you.
Squirt. Justin.
God.
Hey, I gotta talk to you, Jake.
Who drew all that?